Hey everyone, the Beelink SER10 marks a clear evolutionary step in the company's tiny PC lineup, positioning itself as a more capable and forward-looking replacement for the SER9 rather than a radical redesign. Introduced at CES 2026, the SER10 series builds on the strengths of its predecessor while addressing several limitations that held the SER9 back in professional and enthusiast use cases. At the heart of this update is AMD's Ryzen AI HX 470 Gorgon Point processor, which replaces the Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 Strix Point found in the previous generation. In everyday use, the Ryzen AI HX 470 feels like a refinement rather than a revolution. Single-core and multi-core CPU performance see incremental gains that translate into slightly faster application launches, smoother multitasking, and improved responsiveness in demanding productivity workloads. Perhaps most important for future-facing workloads is the upgraded NPU, which enhances on-device AI processing. Beelink has smartly split the SER10 lineup into two distinct models, SER10 Pro and SER10 Max. The key difference between them lies in memory design. SER10 Pro uses LPDDR5X memory soldered directly to the motherboard, which typically allows for higher memory bandwidth and better power efficiency, but removes the possibility of future RAM upgrades. This configuration will appeal to users who want a compact, efficient system with optimized performance out of the box and no intention of modifying hardware later. In contrast, the SER10 Max features two SOD IMM slots, giving users the freedom to install and upgrade their own RAM. One of the most significant and welcome upgrades in the SER10 series is networking. For users who work with large data sets or rely on rapid local network transfers, this upgrade alone may justify the jump from the previous generation. Design-wise, Beelink continues its understated and compact approach, offering the SER10 in gray and silver across both variants. However, the Pro model adds an unexpected touch of personality with optional orange and green colorways. These bold finishes are unusual in the mini PC market, which is typically dominated by neutral tones, and they help the SER10 Pro stand out visually without compromising its professional appeal. The chassis remains compact and well-suited for desk, shelf, or VESA-mounted setups, reinforcing the idea that this is a high-performance system designed to disappear into almost any environment. At launch, Beelink is offering two straightforward configuration options for both the Pro and Max models, one with 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, and a higher-end version with 64 gigs of RAM and the same 1 terabyte storage capacity. These configurations suggest that Beelink is targeting power users from day one, rather than entry-level buyers, and the generous memory options align well with the system's AI capabilities, fast networking, and productivity-focused performance profile. While pricing and an exact release date have not yet been announced, the coming soon status suggests that Beelink is positioning the SER10 series as a premium but practical upgrade rather than a budget mini PC. If pricing remains competitive relative to the SER9, the SER10 could become one of the most well-rounded tiny PCs of its generation. With improved processing across CPU, GPU, and NPU, and a choice between efficiency-focused or upgrade-friendly memory designs, the Beelink SER10 feels like a mature and thoughtful evolution that caters equally to professionals, enthusiasts, and advanced home users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.